Know and be able to worksheets, or Kbats, turn California state standards into tasks like the ones you see on your screen. These tasks are designed to help students develop a more complete understanding of course material. Kbats will be assigned for each chapter and will be collected for credit on the day of the chapter quiz. Kbats are designed to help you focus on and work with the most important information from the chapter, but it is not mandatory for you to complete and submit these worksheets. If you choose not to complete your Kbat, you simply will not receive credit, and it will not count against you, though Kbats are a way to earn easy points to help your final grade. You know yourself as a student at this point in your academic career. Some students find reading the chapter and taking their own notes more beneficial than completing the Kbats, while other students prefer to read and fill out the Kbat for each chapter. Some students will do all three: read the chapter, take notes, and complete the corresponding Kbat. The choice is yours. Each task on the Kbat must be completed in order to receive credit. If you ever have questions, please post them on our class stream to help the entire class. Thank you.